is why stews taste better the second day we eat them, and surprisingly, it has everything to do with how we make vodka. When fermenting alcoholic beverages, most strains of these die at about 15% ABV. In order to get higher alcohol percentages, distillers take this fermented liquid and heat it up until 78 degrees Celsius, which is the exact boiling point of ethanol. They then take the vaporized ethanol along with any aromatic compound that is carrying with it and condense it back into hard liquor. These same physics apply when we reheat a stew or broth, as when we bring it to a simmer, we're evaporating the water out of the stew, leading to more concentration of our flavor compounds, which leads to a richer and more delicious stew. Leaving the food overnight in the fridge also plays a really big role, as these compounds are allowed to diffuse into the meat or any solid ingredients in our stew. Enzymes are able to break down starches, Maillard reactions continue, harsh spices mellow down into a lot more pleasurable flavors, and the gelatin in the meat thickens the broth, giving it a more silkier texture and better mouthfeel. But if our kitchen smells amazing when we're reheating food, are we not losing flavor to the air? You'd be absolutely right. These aromatic compounds have lower boiling points, which leads to loss when our water evaporates. But heavier taste compounds, in comparison, stay in our broth even when we are boiling the water away. This is why smart cooks add fresh herbs after reheating the food. Television cook Ina Garten does it, so does food editor for Epicurious Paul Grimes, and even Noah's own recipe team says you should do it. If you master this, you'll end up with food that will have you reheating it even before you eat it the first time. That was your fast fact, and stay curious.